We're in Yellowstone now, and we're driving the car. You know that thing. That's Ashlyn. We got 36 more miles until, oops, I'm looking at the wrong thing, until we get to our campground.
I'll unplug Erica's.
It's a freaking ocean. Oh, it's a video. Sick. She got me wet.
You're the one who like licks my face sometimes. That's really scary.
What? That smells. He's fly fishing. We passed him quite a bit ago.
He's standing out in there. I thought it would be deeper.
We're at Mud Volcano right now. Looks like there's a couple like smoky things that go up. This is the first one I will show you. That is so crazy.
Bubbling.
Like
I wonder the temp.
a lot of the things we've seen, I've like seen before, but this is something I've absolutely never seen.
Like just naturally. Oh,
Look at that. That would burn the hell out of you. Oh, I bet there's so many crazy bacteria.
Smell
Who wants to go in there? You want to go in there, Mom?
no, I'll pass.
I said it's like there's a dragon in there who's gonna come out, and then I looked over and it says Dragon's Mouth Spring. Oh my gosh, we just got to our Yellowstone campground and I'm about to die because look at it. It is so amazing. Holy mother freaking sucker. We are right among the trees. And honestly, I'm not even scared of bears at this campsite because we're surrounded by road all the way around us. And I don't know, I feel like bears don't cross roads, but maybe they do. So. We're having tacos tonight. We had our venison, and we had some Mad Butcher. Why are you so blurry? We had some taco sauce and some cheese.
Show everything.
And some plain Greek yogurt and chippies. We are on a hike right now and we are going to the lower falls. There's two massive waterfalls in Yellowstone and one of them is the lower falls. So that's where we're going right now. And I think from what I've seen in pictures is we're just gonna look down over it, but I guess you'll see right now. Okay, we're at the lower falls. I'm so excited. All right, here's the river. And here is the oh my dear God. Visiting the falls turns you into a goose. Oh, my feathers are actually, I'd like to think I'm a swan. I don't know if yours is a goose. So this is the exact same waterfall we were just standing directly on top of, but now you can see it from really far away. So insane. Okay, so we took our showers. We each had an unlimited time free shower, one shower, between the 2 nights. And we got back to our campsite. We had s'mores. And now I think we're going to play some cards. And I'm going to read my book for a while. And then we're going to go to bed. Hello, good morning. We are still in Yellowstone. And today we are doing a hike starting out. It's called the South Rim Trail. So that's what we're doing. We have heard it is a bear frequenting area, and I'm pretty scared. I got my bear spray, and I got a large stick, and I'm gonna sing the entire way so that they know I'm coming. But on the bright side, there's a waterfall down there. It's the same one we were looking at last night. We were standing on top of it. Right there is where we were standing. Woo! get attacked by a bear.
Chill out.
See you later.
You need to pet it. Feel the moss. Feel it. And, okay, so mugs, botanicals, and...
We got another pretty awesome view. We haven't seen any bears yet, which is a very good thing.
There's two of them. There's a more whitewater one right there, and then one that looks more survivable.
Which direction are we going?
Well, I not only have that, but I'm carrying 20 plus pounds.
Yeah, I know.
We found a place called Lily Pad Lake, or Lily Pad Pond. There you go.
Perfect place for me to use the boys' restroom. Oh, she's collared.
What's that?
There's a collar around her neck. They've got like telemetry on them so they can track them.
Look at their little butts wiggle.
Are they so cute from a distance?
Oh my gosh.
These plants.
Could you just picture yourself galloping with a horse and
Cool, man.
some steaming?
We just parked very far away and we're walking on a little trail to a thing called Prismatic, which is the thermal feature, and it has like a boardwalk around it. So I'm going to show you where the water's coming down, and it's like absolutely pouring off of this like wall. And so the river we're walking beside is like a cool river technically, like where it's coming from is cool water, but when it mixes it gets super hot.
I'll show you some pictures of this one from the sky. Jess, let these people by. Here, do you want me to?
So we are here at the picnic area off of the main drag here, and we're just eating all kinds of things like peppers and sandwiches.
We just went along this
I don't
really
eat the
cool
meat, so-
path. Brand Prismatic is what we were going to see, and it was amazing, except for all the people.
I forgot
But it was beautiful. And now we're going to go to this place where, like, the water, the river is hot, like 100 degrees, and Erica and Ash are going to swim, and they're going to try and persuade me to go in and do it too. And I don't remember the name of it.
Boiling River.
Boiling River is where we're going. See you there.
We're at a place called Mammoth Hot Springs, and we're walking up this really long boardwalk thing, and I'm so exhausted. And Mammoth Hot Springs is what leads into the Boiling River and warms it that we're gonna go swimming in. Oh my god. We're at the Boiling River now, and we're just walking a short trail to where we can get in.
It's not hot.
We're in the Gardner River. This section is called the Boiling River.
Oh yeah. That's how it's got the soap.
Is that nice?
No, it's colder than hell right there.
Oh. Oh yeah.
It's cold where my butt is too. That's cold.
I want to see her eye again. Her eye is really cool. We're making dinner. We're having chili dogs tonight, just like the last trip. Oh, I hear him scream. Oh my gosh, me too. So we are on our way to Glacier right now. Whoop. And in your bathtub.
I can't do it.
So yeah, we're on our way to Glacier. Yeah.
Start over.
About 7 more hours to go. We got about 7 more hours to go. We left our campsite this morning just about 15 minutes ago.